Hey there, fellow investors and curious minds. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to set up a Robinhood cash account. If you're new to investing or just want a simple way to dip your toes into the stock market, this is the perfect starting point. Robinhood is a user-friendly app that lets you trade stocks, ETFs, and more without any commission fees, and a cash account is the most basic type you can open. First off, why choose a Robinhood cash account? It's ideal for beginners because it only uses the money you actually have in your account, no borrowing or margin trading involved. This means you avoid potential risks and keep things simple while you learn the ropes. Plus, it's commission-free, so every dollar you invest goes straight to work for you. Let's walk through the setup step by step. Start by downloading the Robinhood app from your phone's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and verify your phone number. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Next, you'll provide some personal information to verify your identity. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and a valid ID like a driver's license. Robinhood uses this to comply with regulations and keep your account safe. After that, link a bank account or debit card to fund your account. You can transfer money directly from your bank, and it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the first deposit. Once your account is funded, you're good to go. Explore the app, search for stocks, and make your first trade. Remember, always do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Setting up a Robinhood cash account is that easy. It's a great way to build your financial knowledge without overwhelming complexity. If you follow these steps, you'll be trading in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next video.